What the heck? Peanut butter what now? Peanut butter chicken. And is she seeing what we're seeing? It looks like chicken with doo-doo smeared all over it. Respectfully, no thank you. You go ahead, barbecue them bad boys, and you eat it all by yourself. Respectfully, no thank you. I will say this. If they kept the peanut butter off and put everything else on there and then throw it on the grill, she probably would have been on to something. You marinate it, put it on the grill, you're good to go. Pop some barbecue sauce on there. But then you go with the peanut butter. I'm going to tell you right now, in case you didn't know, with all that peanut butter on there, that thing going to burn in no time. Remember that.